Hey everyone, my name is Steven Landers. I am the owner of Landers Electric. I just wanted to take a couple minutes to introduce myself. I've been in the electrical trade for 17 years now, since 2008, and I spent 7 years non-union and 7 years union, and then back in 2021, I jumped off on my own. As the owner of Landers Electric, I really strive to be the best electrician in San Diego. Landers Electric does all types of electrical projects. We do commercial, residential, industrial. We're just a small company. It's me and a few apprentices. We work hard to make sure that we're following all local codes, getting permits when necessary, and making sure that every one of our customers are happy. We're family owned and operated right out of North County, San Diego, but we work anywhere in San Diego County and Orange County. Feel free to give us a call at any time. We provide free estimates to all of our customers. Usually I can give an estimate over the phone. It's not that difficult, so feel free. If you need electrical services and you want to hire the best San Diego electrician, feel free to give us a call. You can check out our website in the links in the description. You can also search Landers Electric on Google and you can see all of our reviews that we have on there. We strive to be the best. So feel free to give us a call if you would like to use a smaller family-owned and operated company. Looking forward to working for you.